welcome back to another video, and today my mom is going to be showing you guys how to do the triangle box braid rubber band method, and I hope you guys like this video. So instead of me chit-chatting, let's get on with the video. Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's tutorial, you'll need some braiding hair, some rubber bands, some gel, jam or any type of edge control, a moisturizer, some foam or mousse, a rat tail comb, and a soft bristle brush. So before completing this style, make sure that your hair is nicely coated with a good moisturizer from root to ends before doing the style. And then you can go ahead and begin your parting for your triangle parts. Of course, they won't be perfect, so don't expect perfect parts, but for the most part, you should have nice looking triangle parts throughout the head. First, you're going to apply a little bit of gel to the part, and then after you add your gel, go over it lightly with a thin layer of edge control or jam in my case. And then after you apply the product, just brush it through with the brush so that it can give it a nice smooth finished look before applying your rubber band. When applying your rubber band, you guys, make sure that you don't put the rubber band in the hair too tight. You don't want the scalp to bump up, or you don't want the scalp to be red. Those are signs that the rubber band is way too tight. The whole purpose of this style is to protect your hair. So just make sure that it's not tight so you won't lose any hair due to tension, which can cause breakage. So here I'm just showing you guys how I stretch the hair. I did cut the hair in half because I didn't want her braids too long so she won't look too grown. But basically when you're using the rubber band method, all you do is loop the hair around the rubber band and you just braid down in 3 sections. This is really easy for someone who doesn't know how to grip the hair when doing a box braid. So here we're just going to dip the hair in hot water so that she can have straight ends. And after you dip your hair in the water, you can add your mousse or your foam to give it that nice sleek finish once all your ends are straight after you have dipped them in the hot water.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like my hair. My hair looks very cute. And I finally get to style my hair and I get to put cute bows in. I finally get to put my JoJo bow in as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and please follow my mom on social media. Bye everyone! Love you.